getting fit, people who want to start running, but doing this first is gonna help. The goal is to walk just normally, but faster, but with your normal style of walking. There's no special technique that you gotta follow. You just walk, but walk faster for a longer time. The purpose is to get fit, do exercise, and avoid injuries. And also you can do it anywhere, just like me, been doing running, but today I wanted to try sport, walking. We'll see how it goes. One of the differences I see is that I enjoy my surroundings more. I'm more alert, but I gotta be focused on walking fast. And yeah, you exercise. I can feel it. Thank you for watching the video, friends. God bless you. Subscribe to the channel. Let's do it.